Right. I'm happy to be up and running and good to be here. I I know it kind of big difficult to be creative in thinking what to put together, but I think the platform I would wish to run would be a social media platform. As I was lying in hospital all the weekend, I was thinking about what kind of way people can do to connect, sick person can do in hospital to connect with people around the world to make them feel happy, to make them feel motivated. So I would wish to run a web a web called Care for the People. So the web will be responsible that you will create your account, and you will have a profile page. You have a how do you call it, networking friends or community where you have followers, you have a group, you have a new feed, and you personalize your information whatever way you want. Those things will be embedded into the web page I want to run at my social media page if I have the opportunity in the future. And basically, it will be interesting to know that this page will be focused on our health and well-being. So many times people are struggling with similar situation that somebody may be facing, and the way they're working, and kind of motivation to share online as well for sick people. So you will connect with your family, friends, wherever they are, and sometimes you search this webpage will give you right hand information about treatment, about symptoms for sickness and stuff like that. So people will be able to, get some information about how to keep check of their own health. And it will have like bunting. If you share something important that people like, they will comment, they will like, and people will be able to share that view, and they'll be able to interact with one another. You'll have a rating or voting system as well. So I think it will be a good thing if you run such network to be able to help people to get connected, to stay close to friends, close to people when they even in hospital, wherever they are, or whatever situation they face at home, so that they be able to have some solution to it. And we will have put some feature there that will be current event where maybe World Health Organization update about some other pandemic and stuff will be popping up to give information, to give direction. Like public health information, if there's a Ebola outbreak or any kind of sickness outbreak, the webpage will be able to inform people how to prevent, how to go about it, and stuff like that. Yeah, thank you for watching, and bye bye.